Good afternoon. This is Michael Harris on April 14th, Tuesday, 2020. Wanted to tell y'all how to make a homemade COVID 19 mask. What you will need. This is what I did. I'll show you what mine looks like here in just a second. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. So, very good to see y'all again. What you will need, this is what I made it out of. I made it out of a regular coffee filter. I used like 5 staples. Just make sure you staple it the opposite direction so it won't kind of like go up against your face and scratch you. And then I use paper towels and I use rubber bands. And that's really, believe it or not, all you need. That type of material will actually help block the virus out or any virugens. And here's mine. That's what it looks like. So I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Yeah, very neat. Yeah, I stapled some of mine the wrong direction on the top, but actually you see the ones on the second row. That's how you should staple yours, all the same way. So this part right here won't get near your face. So anyway, I still can wear it, and let me show you what it looks like. You might laugh, but anyway, I'm going to show you. Hold on 1 minute. I have to say, it works pretty good. And actually, it's pretty comfortable, believe it or not. So, this is what mine looks like. I've already worn it in Walmart, in the store. So, this is just another idea. So, you want to straighten this out a little bit so your ear won't bend too far out of place. And yeah, it's pretty comfortable like this, I do have to say. So, you know, this is how I made my COVID 19 homemade mask. So, anyway, if you need a little more information about how to make one, there's more videos elsewhere. But hey, this is what mine looks like anyway. So, I just wanted to share that with y'all. So, let me remove this so I don't look like a sick man. Have to say that's a good idea. So if you don't want to end up spending a lot of money, that's your best bet right there. And it actually isn't too uncomfortable like I showed you. It works pretty well. So yeah, that's how you make a COVID or a 19 mask or a homemade coronavirus protection gear mask for basic outdoor, I guess, shopping or running, exercising. I wouldn't recommend it for exercising unless you're in an area where there's a lot of people, but they might tell you just to stay indoors. So anyway, I don't really have much more for today. I'm just saying stay hunkered down and stay safe. I'm doing the same thing. I'm trying not to let my mind suffering from a mental illness get in my way. Like, I'm just sometimes thinking, like, when is this quarantine mess going to end? But, this is serious. This stuff spreads very quickly. Once one person gets infected and they don't know it, then they're already infecting other people. Like, say, you could basically compare it as the quick as those moving storms the other day. It spreads just like that, but a little quicker. Not good. So, praying for the United States and the whole world. So anyway, this is Michael Harris with Bipolar Disorders and Mental Health Care Harris. Have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday, and I will see you again tomorrow. Take care. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit any notification bell so you can know and keep up with when I make more videos every day. Alright, have a wonderful day.